Alright, so these tails have been sitting in here for about an hour now, marinating. As you can see, the seasoning is really soaked in and whatnot. I'm not sure if I forgot to mention or not, but after you butter beef, or let me say that again, before you add the seasoning, you butter the lobster meat, and then after you season them, you also butter them again. And then after the hour of marinating in the fridge, you butter them again before you stick them in whatever device you're cooking them in. Which in this case, I'm going to be using a Big Daddy air fryer like such. Like I said, before you stick them in, grab your butter out again. We're going to get it done just like this. See, make sure I get it in the camera. Just a couple quick sprays. That'll help some of that excess seasoning slide off if there is. Too much seasoning can be just as big of a problem as not enough. And really, you can. My advice to you about that is you can always add more, but you can't add less. So what we're gonna do is take these bad boys just like this, like it's nobody's business. Bada bing, bada boom. Flop them up there just like that. I'm gonna stick them here on the middle rack. That way they get a good undercook and cook on the top side. Let's go ahead and close her up. Got the butter sprayed on them. Turn this bad boy on. And what you're gonna wanna do, is turn this down to 8 minutes and turn the temperature up to 380 degrees, and then it should kick on itself, and there you have it. But I'm gonna cut this video off, but I want to describe, or I want to add to the procedure that at 4 minutes you're gonna want to open the air fryer and butter them again. That's very important because your lobster tail will dry out, the juices and whatnot, so you want to keep it very moist, and so it really has that tender texture to it, and the meat doesn't dry out on you. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. It was fun on my end. I hope to do many more just like it. I think I'm going to call this series, like I said, Crazy Cook. Pretty self-explanatory as you watch my channel. I like to think I'm a pretty interesting character with a lot of different skills and talents that I'd like to share with other people, but I also believe other people have just as many skills and talents too, and I'd like to soak them in too. So yeah, tell me a little bit about yourself down in the comment section. If you try this recipe out, let me know what you think. I know I'm going to enjoy it. I plan on doing this possibly for a birthday dinner here coming up soon. So yeah, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you get all my content first. Always remember, be kind to other people, and have a blessed day. Alright.